Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to plot an XRD data. First of all, open your XRD data file. Once you open your data, select all the data by pressing Ctrl A and then copying it using Ctrl C. Now open the Origin software and paste your data here. In your data sheet, the x-axis represents 2 theta and the y-axis represents intensity. After pasting the data, select all the columns and choose line plot, and here your XRD graph is plotted. But as you can see, the graph looks a bit rough and the peaks are not very clear, so we need to smooth the data. To do that, go to the Analysis tab and select Signal Processing and click on Smooth followed by Open Dialog. In the dialog box, change the points of window from 5 to 3. Set the polynomial order to 1. Then click Preview to see the changes. You will notice that the graph is now smoother. Once satisfied, click OK. Now minimize the graph window and go back to the workbook. Here you will see the smooth data in a new column. Select column AX values and the smooth data column. Then plot it again using a line plot, and here is much more clearer and smoother graph. Next, let's just adjust the axis values. Click on the x-axis, go to the scale tab and set the range, for example from 10 to 80. Click Apply. Similarly, for the y-axis, double click and set the scale from 400 to 1200 and then click OK. For the x-axis, type 2 theta. To insert the theta symbol, press Ctrl M, open the symbol map and select theta. Then insert and close. You can make it bold for better visibility. For the y-axis, type intensity which symbol is arbitrary unit. You can also remove the unnecessary ticks or values by selecting them and pressing delete. Adjust the x-axis thickness and font size to improve visibility. Finally, you can rename your graph, for example XRD1, or use your sample name. You can also change the color of the graph line by selecting it and choosing your preferred color. And that's it. Your XRD graph is now clean, smooth and ready for analysis.